Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, check the fuel level and choose the correct additive for your goal, cleaning or octane boost. Read the label to confirm the dose, for example 0. 5 Oz per gallon, and keep the bottle handy. Once the engine is warm and parked, open the gas cap, pour slowly to avoid splashes, and close the cap. Do this at the start of a fill so the fresh fuel mixes evenly. This ensures the chemical reaches injectors and combustion chambers quickly. Once done pouring, make sure to fill the tank. Adding fuel after the bottle improves dilution and helps the fluid reach all components. You then drive immediately. 10 to 20 miles of mixed driving will circulate the treatment through injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. While driving, monitor engine sound and idle. If performance improves, you use the correct dose. Make sure not to exceed labeled frequency or dose, because overuse can harm sensors and catalytic converters over time. You finish by completing a short mixed drive cycle to confirm benefits. Check throttle response, emissions, and fuel economy during the next tank. Store any leftover product sealed and cool, and dispose of empty containers as instructed on the label. If you see a rough idle, loss of power, or a check engine light, stop adding treatments immediately. Those signs mean contamination or sensor upset. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, flush the fuel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.